guys, it's a hot Memorial Day. Out here gonna do a little spotlight fly fishing with this new canoe and this Motor Guide trolling motor. Gonna give this a go. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's good. Been wanting to go gator gar fishing. That's not happening. Tons of rain, tons of flow in the Trinity right now. Pretty dangerous getting down there, so I've been holding off on that. Same thing with offshore. Just the wind blew 100 miles an hour, hadn't gave us a window. So you guys ought to know me by now. I'm gonna get out here and shore lip some for sure. The wind's up a little bit today. Water clarity looks really good. So hopefully these fish are gonna be cooperating. I'm gonna start off with a Echo 5 weight. I'm spot locked right now, so this is cool, so I can set up. And then we'll get going, man. We'll do a little fly fishing. Super excited. This will be a first. See the trolling motor spot locked right there? We're sitting right here. So we're gonna get out here and see if we can get some fish. Fly fishing in a kayak. Fun. Alright, come here, dude. Woo. Fish. Man, he put up a fight though. Swallowed that thing, man. There we go. Big old greenie right there. Woo. Emma. Whew. That one engulfed it. That was awesome. Nice one. Ooh, hammer sunfish. Golly. That one's a hammer. Oh, come on. Man. That hook wasn't any. Man, that was a big one. Oh yeah. There we go. Felt like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. It's more like it. One. A little better fish than we were getting. Well, not much better. Oh, that's better. Oh, come on. What a ripoff. That was a good fish too, man. Dang it. Ooh, hammer. Oh man. Look at the colors on that dude. Man, oh man. It's a big old green sunfish. Look at that dude. There we go. Big old greenie right there. Whew. Emma. Oh, gotta put some more stick in these things. Weird. Well, if you can't get the bass to hit, these are always a good time. Green sunfish seem active today. We've got a little 3-weight throwing at them. Oh, that's a good one there. Man, that's a big old bluegill. Look at it. Thank God. Look at the colors on that dude there. Wow, sirs. Man. Toad. Oh, yeah. God, Slobosaurus, man. That's a freaking good toad right there. Woo. Oh, another digger. Man, big old green sunfish in this tank. Another digger. Man, look at the colors on him. So pretty. Ooh. Oh, 3-weight. That's fun. Woo. That's fun all day on a 3-weight. Woo. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you. It's a nice one. Man. Good time on a 3-weight, guys. Ooh, Mondo. Mondo. God. Look at that dude. The green sunfish bite is on. Ah! Get my fly? He got off. God, that was a Mondo too. Oh, that's a little fly I'm using right there, guys. Oh. Man. Good one. Golly, what a big bluegill. Good night. Look at this thing. Yeah. I love these big hammers. Oh. Beauty. I don't know how I'm going to get this out of him. Golly, what a freaking hammer of a bluegill. Yeah. There's a hammer. Whew. Got him. All right. Man, it's been a great day for these big green sunfish, man. Spot locking for them. Good times. Man. Nothing like catching a bunch of green sunfish, man. They are a good time. Oh, here's another one. Oh, they're so much fun. They look like baby Goliath grouper. See if there's, oh, there's one. Oh, right as I was lifting the rod. Little guy though. He is. There's a decent one. Whew. There's a hybrid. That's why you do it. God, that's a hammer. Whew. Oh my goodness gracious. Guys. Hammer. Good night. Oh God. Damn. Ooh. That's too much fun right there. Oh. Oh. Man, he drilled it. Drilled it. Another one. That spot right there is golden, man. It was sitting there. Little bitty guy. We're gonna get a big one here in a minute though, guys. Keep throwing. Hit. Oh God. There's just a bunch of big ones sitting right there. Oh. Another big hammer. This one's just a bluegill. That's still a big bluegill. Another nice one. God. That was a bass, I think. Get out of here, dude. We'll end this video with a couple of fish I caught off the bank a couple of days before this, but real quick, I just wanted to go over the Spot Lock trolling motor. That thing is a game changer, not only for blue cats, also for fly fishing, anything like that. If you guys are interested in getting one, don't hesitate. I wish I'd have got one years ago. Makes blue cat fishing much easier, makes fly fishing 100% easier, because as you could tell, there was quite a bit of wind on the day that we were out there, and if you didn't have Spot Lock or something like that, you'd had to anchor out, and you just wouldn't have had the range and been able to do what I did during that day. But wanted to show this big bluegill. He was gorgeous, man. Looked like a big hybrid of some kind. But anyway, till the next one, Killer B out.